The rise in young millionaires today can be significantly attributed to improved financial literacy. With abundant online information, young people are learning about money management, investing, and entrepreneurship early, helping them avoid debt, build wealth, and seize opportunities. This early financial education, accessible resources, and proactive money management are reshaping the landscape of wealth and success. In this video, we'll show you how to equip your kids with the tools to achieve financial stability through 6 key financial concepts, including earning, saving, spending, borrowing, investing, and insuring. We'll also share practical tips for each concept, providing examples of how to apply these ideas daily to help kids understand them. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage money effectively, including earning, saving, spending, borrowing, and investing. It helps individuals make informed decisions, avoid debt, build wealth, and achieve financial stability. Why is financial literacy so important for kids? Financial literacy is crucial for kids as it lays the foundation for a financially secure future. Learning basic financial concepts early helps children understand the value of money, the importance of saving, and budgeting. This knowledge enables them to make smart decisions, avoid debt, and develop healthy financial habits. Moreover, it helps kids seize opportunities by understanding investments, entrepreneurship, and building wealth, leading to greater financial stability and future success. Teaching financial education early also gives them more time to practice and understand these concepts before facing real-world financial responsibilities. To ensure that the next generation is well prepared, it's important to start teaching these concepts early. For better financial literacy in kids, here are 6 financial concepts you can teach them early on. Number 1. Earning. Understanding how to earn money is an important part of financial literacy for kids, as they can learn about different ways to get money. It's also helpful for kids to know the basics about taxes and deductions. This means understanding that when they earn money, a part of it might go to the government as taxes. Deductions are amounts taken out of their earnings for things like Social Security or health insurance. Knowing about these concepts helps kids understand why they might not get to keep all the money they earn and prepares them for managing their finances in the future. To make these concepts more relatable and easier to understand, here are some practical tips to help kids learn how to earn money and understand taxes and deductions. Give kids a weekly or monthly allowance for completing chores around the house. Suggest small jobs like babysitting, dog walking, or lawn mowing to earn extra money. Share your own experiences with earning, saving, and paying taxes to make it relatable. Number 2. Saving. Saving money is really important because it helps you have funds for future needs or emergencies. There are different types of savings. Short-term savings are for things you might need soon, like buying a toy or going on a trip, while long-term savings are for bigger goals in the future, like college or a car. When explaining interest to kids, keep it simple. Interest is a reward for saving money, like earning $5 on $100, making it $105. Compound interest means earning interest on both the saved money and the interest earned, so $105 earns interest next time. Real-life examples and simple math help kids understand and see the benefits of saving. To help kids relate to and understand these concepts, here are some practical tips on the importance of saving money and understanding interest and compound interest. Help kids set short-term goals, like buying a toy, and long-term goals, like saving for college. Open a savings account to teach them about banking and interest. Show how saving and earning interest can achieve goals with real-life examples. Number 3. Spending. When spending money, it's important to know the difference between needs and wants. Needs are essentials like food, shelter, and clothing. Wants are non-essentials like a new phone or dining out at a fancy restaurant. Budgeting helps you manage your money by planning how much you'll spend on needs and wants. A good budget ensures you have enough for your needs and some left over for your wants. Making smart spending choices means thinking carefully before you buy something. Ask yourself if it's a need or a want, and if you really need it right now. This way, you can save money and avoid unnecessary debt. To help kids understand these ideas, here are some practical tips to teach kids the difference between needs and wants, and how to make smart spending choices. Give kids a small allowance and guide them in budgeting for saving, needs, and wants. create a 2-column chart for needs and wants, and have kids add items as they think of them. When making purchases, explain to kids why certain items are needs or wants. Number 4. Borrowing. Borrowing means getting money from someone else with the promise to pay it back later. This can be done through loans or credit. A loan is when you borrow a set amount of money and agree to pay it back over time, usually with extra money called interest. Credit is when you can borrow money up to a certain limit and pay it back as you use it, like with a credit card. Borrow responsibly by only taking what you can repay. Over-borrowing or missing payments can lead to hard-to-escape debt. Responsible borrowing builds good credit, making future loans easier when you really need it. To ensure kids understand this concept better, here are some practical tips to teach them about borrowing responsibly. If kids lack money for a purchase, lend them some from their allowance and plan repayment. Set borrowing rules at home, such as asking permission and returning items in good shape. Explain what happens if borrowed items aren't returned or money isn't repaid on time. Number 5. Investing. Investing means putting your money into something to make it grow over time. The goal is to have more money than you started with. For example, a bank savings account earns interest, which adds extra money to your account, helping it grow over time. There are various ways to invest, such as savings accounts and bonds. A savings account safely stores your money and earns interest. Bonds are loans to companies or the government that pay you back with interest, helping your money grow. Investing is a way to build wealth slowly and steadily. It's important to start with simple options and learn as you go. To make these concepts easier to understand, here are some practical tips to help kids learn about investing and growing their money. Show how interest works, like adding a coin to their savings every month. Teach kids about investing and managing money with board games like Monopoly. Explain how and why you invest money using simple examples from real-life experience. Number 6. Insuring. Insurance is a safety net that protects you from major financial losses if something unfortunate happens. For example, if you get sick, have an accident, or your house gets damaged, insurance helps cover the costs. You pay a regular premium, and the company promises to help with certain expenses if something goes wrong. There are various types of insurance. Health insurance covers medical bills, property insurance covers damage to your home or belongings, car insurance helps with car accidents, and life insurance provides money to your family if something happens to you. Insurance is important because it gives you peace of mind. You know that if something unexpected happens, you won't have to pay all the costs by yourself. To help kids understand why insurance is important, here are some practical tips. Compare saving for emergencies with having insurance, highlighting how insurance can be more effective. Use everyday examples, like explaining how car insurance works when you see a car accident. Discuss real-life experience when insurance benefited your family. In conclusion, teaching kids about money early is crucial because it helps them build good habits and gives them more time to understand and apply financial concepts before facing real-world responsibilities. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please share it with anyone who might need some inspiration. See you next time.